There are tons of strategies out there that traders use to time their trades. One of the easiest ways to know if a stock hits your buy or sell level is to set a price alert. In order to automatically be notified when the price of a stock gets near your selected buy or sell level, you could simply set price alerts for all the assets that you're holding or watching. The price alert will notify you whenever the price of your selected stock goes above or below whatever price level that you set. I typically set multiple price alerts for every stock that I trade. You can set price alerts near a resistance level for sell notifications or near support levels for purchase notifications. Once the price you set is hit, you will receive an alert on your smartphone, and you can then analyze the stock to see whether to enter, sell, or add more depending on your strategy. This is a great way to help protect your holdings and also to add to your portfolio during wild price swings in periods of high volatility. So let's pull out our smartphone and go over how to set price alerts on the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim mobile app. When you open up the app, you want to look at the tabs down at the bottom. Go ahead and click on Alerts. Under the Alerts tab, the first thing you'll see is your active alerts. Here you can see that I have multiple alerts set for many different stocks. If you click on one of the alerts, you'll have the option to cancel the alert, create a similar order, or create a similar alert. If you click Show Details, you can also see the chart for the stock that you're looking at. The chart will also display all alerts that are currently set for that stock. As you can see here, I currently have 3 alerts set for the S&P 500. Whenever an alert is triggered, that's my signal to analyze the stock and see if I want to make a trade. So let's go over how to create a new price alert for a stock. From the Alerts tab, look at the search bar at the top and search for the stock that you want to set an alert for. For this example, I'm going to use DUST, which is actually a gold inverse ETF. So here's where you can set your parameters for your price alert. I'm going to keep the alert as last for the last price that was traded. Under Trigger, I'm going to have the alert trigger when the price gets above or equal to the price that I set. Under Threshold is where you set your desired trigger price. For this example, I think I'll set my trigger price at $23.55. After you make sure all your information is correct, go ahead and click the Create Alert button at the top right. And voila! You just created your first price alert. If we take a look at the DUST details, we can see that our price alert has now been added to our chart as well. Once the alert is hit, we should receive a notification on our smartphone. So I just received a notification that our DUST price alert has been triggered. I actually changed the price alert from $23.55 to $23.48 so I wouldn't be waiting all day for it to trigger. So let's click on the alert and check it out. From the Alerts tab, you want to look at the menus up top and click on Triggered. From here, you can see all the alerts that have been recently triggered. If I wanted to take a position in DUST after my alert was triggered, I'd simply click it here, then select Similar Order. You could also set another price alert if you wish by selecting Similar Alert. So that's an overview of how to set price alerts on the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim mobile app. In the next video, we'll go over how to create your watch list. I'll see you in the next video.